What it do, what it do. This your boy J Real. Got the Drop TV. Right now we searching Ratchet TV records right now, and Q said something, some whole sexual, said a whole bunch of weird shit. So we had to search, but the only thing I found right here, it said right there, it say suspect put his penis in complaints, vagina, threatened with a knife. Uh, I ain't seen nothing about no prostitution. I ain't seen nothing else so far. But this what it is. We searching it. You feel me? Uh, it's just a whole bunch of miscellaneous. Like not taking a rental car back. Assault. Definitely got a lot of assault stuff. On women too. On women. Man, kicking in doors, a lot of thefts, a lot of stealing out of stores. A lot of this shit is really, really old though. What y'all hearing it right here? We decide we gonna take a look together. Everything is in Texas. I ain't seen nothing about prostitution. I seen that one little sex charge where he forced somebody to have sex with a knife. Suspect quits her job and took the night. Dropped Depot's bag. Man, it's a lot. Suspect broke out front glass door into remove property. And this all on Gregory. A lot of this stuff is old and a lot of this stuff is recent. Garland, Dallas, Texas. So we sliding together. Child was expelled from school. Took car. Damage. Complaints vehicle. Yeah, but it's like a whole bunch of, stuff you do when you young for real. Besides the rape part, like, you ain't raping nobody. That's out of order. I don't care what age you at. You ain't doing no raping, you know better. Once you know right from wrong, you can be held accountable. There's nothing that you can say about that. But yeah, if you following somebody, y'all, it's good to do a background check. I mean, if your kid's watching and this is who you want to be around, especially if you're trying to host and be alongside that person on the show, it's good to do a background check. You want to know the people you're involved with. Bring your kids around. So there's nothing wrong with it. People may feel differently. Oh well. But it's just finding out a whole bunch of burglaries, assaults. I seen that one sex charge. I did not see anything about prostituting. I ain't seen nothing about this man being a trainee, a trans, even a prostitution charge. I ain't seen none of that. That's as of right now, they all lies. They all lies. It's just a play ran by Slow. To throw dirt on Ratchet name. I ain't taking up for neither side. We cover facts. We cover facts around here. I read pretty fast too. That's why I keep scrolling. So y'all can also see. Cause see, what Keith didn't want y'all to see, he didn't want y'all to see what he was doing. See, what Keith be doing a lot, like he'll mix truth with lies. That's what he was doing. Did y'all peep that whole conversation for 4 hours with some weird gay stuff? Okay, we got something else. We got aggravated sexual assault. Yo got aggravated sexual assault. Aggravated sexual assault. Penetrated juvenile complaints in mouth and vagina with his penis. Yeah. No, it's not with his penis. It's with pecan. Penetrated the person with an object, and it definitely was. It was a child. It was a child. He stuck something. He penetrated the child with something. Place hands around complaining necks, preventing air circulation. Yo, this is crazy. And I really had to really search for this. So it's not easy. You're not just gonna find it. You really gotta search. That's why everybody not finding it, because it's not easy to find. Yeah, it's public records, but it's not easy. You really gotta keep scrolling all the way down. Go all the way down. And pick where it say list more, and just keep. And as soon as you click his name, all this pop up. All this popped up. Oh, abandoned child 7 and under with what attentions? Abandon the child with intentions. Scratch complaint to the face and causing. So right now, this look like his baby mother. Like, he just. This is why I guess he don't speak about his child or whatnot. we all got our problems and all that. And I ain't judgmental at all. But the sexual assault, the child, the penetration, and all that. Look, it's another one. It's another one. Wait, where is that? Interference with child. Like, yo, yeah. Everybody said they couldn't find it. I found it. But Keith did lie. He did make up. He just added a lot of lies on top of the bullshit. But I definitely found it. I ain't find nothing about no trainee, no prostitution, no man-on-man contact. I did find about him being married and trying to marry somebody else. I did find that. It didn't say whether it was a man or a female. It said he tried to marry another female while he was already married to somebody else. And he say man or female. It said, alright, he threatened, suspect threatened to kill complaint with a butcher knife. Pushed and wrapped his hands around complaint's neck, causing complaint. I'm right here, y'all. Around the neck, causing pain. Yo, when I say it's a lot, because this is years of shit. It's years of shit. Starting, I think, from 2002. And I don't care about people saying it's old. He did try to get it off his record, though. He did try to get it expunged. He did go to this website and asked them to take it down, and they reposted. They updated their website, saying that they will not be bribed in no type of way, shape, or form or fashion to take anything down that is unlawfully. They not, basically they breaking down that stop calling. They're not taking anything down. You can't pay them. You can't get a lawyer to try to, scare them into whatever. Yeah. Yeah, but it's a lot. I'm gonna stop it right here because there ain't no point to keep going. We found a few of the sex things. I'm not worried about the man being gay or no tranny. That's on him. This child stuff, this kid stuff, that's what it is. That's where I'm at. Elizabeth, yeah, he burglarized Lady House. Alright, come on. Garden Grove, Dallas, Texas. In April. Yeah, we done found got the, and to be clear, a lot of the things that is on his record, like far as like robbery and that stuff, a lot of his charges, he was cleared on it. I'm keeping it 100. He was cleared on robbery and certain other felony charges, but you can see all that. You can see everything. But all this extra stuff is his. They'll threaten the complaints family for money, burglary of habitation. But yeah, y'all heard it. It's got to drop TV. Y'all heard it right here first. It's J Real. Peace and blessings to y'all, man. And I'm out, man. But before I leave, it is facts. It's here. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show y'all so so you won't have no type of denial in your mind. Like, oh no, that's not him. Where was I at? Hold on. Alright, yeah. Is it right here? Oh yeah, there you go. So y'all know. This is him. Gregory Line DeBoski. And they got everything on here. Look, sexual as look, I just scroll right there. Sexual assault. Boom. Blank. And it'll tell you his age, born in 1982, all that. Like, got his case numbers, all that. So it's facts, y'all. This is J Real. Got to drop TV. I'm out, man. Y'all heard the news right here first, man. So get with me. I'm out. Peace and blessings.